In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to share Instagram collection with friends. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to the Reels section. Scroll until you find the post that you want to share with your friends. Once you find it, click on two bars. Now click on the option Save. From here, you are able to create a new collection or save the post to the existing one. For this guide, I'm going to create a new one. Click on New Collection. Give it a name. Now click on this option, Add People to Collection. Your friend list will appear. Select the friends you would like to invite to the shared collection. After choosing them, tap Done in the top right corner and then tap Save to create the shared collection. To make sure everything worked out, navigate to your profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Navigate to this option Saved. Click on this option of Collections. Now here you're gonna find all the collections that you have created. Click on the one that you have just created. You can see that this has been shared to your friend as well. So this way you can easily share Instagram collection with friends. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.